Hey you guys, I just want to come on really quickly. Don't worry, this is probably going to be the last time you see me in my Christmas onesie and my Santa hat. Well, maybe not my, I don't know. Maybe I lied. I might be wearing this after Christmas, I don't know. But I just really quickly wanted to come on and let you guys know that I no longer have my makeup line anymore. As a lot of you guys know, I'm no longer working with that company, but we are selling the rest of the stock that's left, and the Cake liquid lipstick is all sold out. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for buying that and supporting me. Right now, the only thing that's left is my palette, and this is probably one of my favorite things, especially now that I'm like more eco-friendly and zero waste. I feel like this is such a great thing. Not only is it cruelty-free and vegan, but it doubles as like so many different things. This is what it looks like. When you first look at it, you think like, oh, it looks like a contour palette, but you can use it for bronzer, contour, doing your eyebrows, doing eyeliner, eyeshadow, blush. What else have people used it for? People have used it for so many different things, but it's so versatile. So you can literally throw away contour, throw away your bronzer, throw away your eyeshadow palettes, because you can just use this palette for all of those things, and it takes up like no space. Look how thin this is. It's super lightweight. It's really pigmented, so a little goes a long way, and they're huge pans, so they'll really last you a long time. And for the price, it's a really good price. And when you do buy this, you get a free Kindness liquid lippy while supplies last. So when they run out of these, you won't get it. So hurry up and get this palette if you want to get this for free. The great thing is this, like, you can do very natural looks. You could do day makeup and night makeup. And I just really love this palette. Once this sells out, we're not making it anymore, unfortunately. And I'm really sad about it because I really love my own makeup and I literally use it all the time. As you can see, it's pretty well loved. I'm like not showing the mirror because it's like dirty from how much I've been using it. But I absolutely love this. Everyone that's gotten my makeup really loves it. We really haven't heard many complaints from anyone. So if you were thinking about getting this, definitely click the link in the description below and you can get this. It helps to support me and I really hope that you guys like it. If any of you guys have purchased my makeup, especially my palette, since it's the only thing that's left, let us know down in the comment section how you like it. That way people can see like honest reviews from you guys and see if it's something that they also want to purchase. I don't even know how much it is. Oh my gosh, let me look it up really quick. This palette with the lippy is $19.95. So that's awesome because normally just a lipstick alone is 20 bucks. This is basically $10 and then you're getting this for $10 if you want to look at it that way. Or the palette is just, you know, 20 bucks and you get a free lippy with it. So it says, last chance to get Shannon's best-selling rose palette with her new Kindness lippy. We have a very limited supply and will not be restocked when sold out. Buy it now or lose it forever. I don't know who wrote this, but that's awesome. And then it also says, use promo code ROSE50 and receive $50 off any FanFest ticket, which is awesome. If you didn't know, I'm going to be at FanFest, so I would love to meet you guys. If any of you guys are going to be there, there's a lot of other YouTubers that are going to be there, so that's cool just because you get to see all of us. And you can get free shipping if you live in the USA, and I believe all you have to do is put RoseFam when you're checking out. If for some reason that doesn't work, let me know in the comments and I'll try to pin whatever the proper code is. So for 20 bucks, you get both these things and free shipping if you live in the US. So definitely a really good deal. Would highly recommend them. And when they are sold out, they're all gone. But anyway, just wanted to make this quick video to let you guys know that the palette is still available. And if you guys want to get it, you can. If not, no worries at all. Thank you anyway for being here and supporting me. I love you guys. I'm sending you all my love and all my positive energy. And I hope to see you in the next video.